Hello my friends, April's here, and today we will be making a super fun thing, which is the squirrel picnic table. You've probably seen them all over the place and all over the internet. They became very popular. So today I wanted to show you how easy they are to make. So let's just do it. I do have a very special relationship with squirrels. I mean, on one hand, they're so cute and so nice and fluffy. On the other hand, they eat my garden. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a video on YouTube how to make a square foot garden, and I'm gonna leave you the card over here so you can check it out, and I'm also gonna leave you the link below. So since then, so many squirrels came over and they started eating my seeds. Can you believe this? Oh! So now I want to make them a table and put some food in there so they would concentrate on that and leave my garden alone. If you do have suggestions how to get rid of squirrels in a nice way, so they don't eat your garden and your veggies, let me know in comments. I would love to know that. Okay, we just made our cuts and it's supposed to look like this. And now, let's try to put it together. We're gonna be using wood and the bread nails. A nail gun is out of the bread nail, so I'm gonna be using regular hammer and bread nails. When we finished with the tabletop, we need to put the little bench in. Yes! And we just built the squirrel table. Look at this. It's so simple. Now we need to make the board that's gonna be attaching this picnic table to the fence. So now the big question is like, should we paint it or not? And I think you probably know my answer. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell button so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Till next week!